Then the next to it is phase 2. Phase 2 is done in patients. So if someone comes out with a diabetes drug, it is done in a diabetic patient. Someone comes with a malaria drug, it's done in a patient with malaria. A TB drug is tested in a patient with TB. But this is a preliminary stage. So we try to look, see and see, okay, we have shown it is safe in normal people, but is it effective? It may be safe, but it has to kill the bacteria. So we take a small number of TB patients, give this drug, and try to see whether it is killing the bacteria. And we also look at the safety. Okay? Just because it is safe in a normal person doesn't mean it is safe in a TB patient. Because a patient with TB has a disease, it may be affecting his organs, right? A patient with TB's liver may not be the same as a normal person's liver. So in addition to whether it is efficacy is good, we also look at the safety. And then if we show, yes, this drug is killing bacteria, this drug is safe, then we go to a phase 3 study. Phase 3 study is done again in patients, but they are done in large numbers of patients. So that is actually what we mean by a clinical trial.
Phase 3 is the scaling up of phase 2.
Yes. Yeah.
And
Phase 2
3
will
is
give you an indication.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's a pilot study.
It's not a pilot study, it's actually a clinical trial.
Clinical trial.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not the last step.
Okay.
It is the major step that I say. Okay. Previously we had only 3 phases. Now we also have a phase 4. Phase 4 is what happens after the drug is marketed. So we may say, see phase 3, let us say, we do it in 2000 patients and we follow them up for 2 years, let us say. TB drugs normally follow up is 2 years or 1 year. And in that period you can say, yes, drug is very good, it is safe. But are there effects after that? The classic example is thalidomide. See, there was a drug which was used for morning sickness, and then they found that over the 10 years, millions of babies were born with deformed limbs. So the drug was marketed, but this long-term toxicity was, it's impossible to know. So phase 4 now is that after drug is marketed, normally some surveillance goes on. Doctors are asked to report. Suppose they see something very unusual in a patient. This applies in drugs like diabetes and hypertension, where you have lifelong treatment. So that is phase 4. So these are the different phases of the clinical trial.
Different phases.